In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see envers. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about envers. And the preposition envers translates to towards or in regard to in English, often implying a moral or emotional stance. And so we will see 4 examples with envers. Il a montré une grande gratitude envers elle. Il a montré une grande gratitude envers elle. Elle a des responsabilités envers ses enfants. Elle a des responsabilités envers ses enfants. Nous devons être justes envers tous. Nous devons être justes envers tous. Sa colère envers son frère est injustifiée. Sa colère envers son frère est injustifiée.